Bonjour, it's your boy Mookie's back again with another video. Like I said I would be. I basically took a nap earlier today, or tonight, right now. I was looking for my phone to look at the time, and I realized I'm recording on it. It is, I can't see because like I'm using video. It is, hold on, let me like find out what time it is because this is tripping me out. I know it's after midnight. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. It is 1:19 a.m. EST. I'm in the Eastern time zone. Because that's the only one that matters. Fuck all y'all in California. I want to live in California. I took a nap earlier at like 11 or something, and then I woke up. No, I took a nap at like, I was tired, obviously, so I slept at 8-ish. No, 9. My memory's awful. I slept at 9, woke up something around 11:30, and didn't have a good dream. So I just came downstairs. I'm like, oh, fuck it, I'm not gonna be able to sleep. Let me just play Smash Ultimate, Smash Bros. Ultimate, vent my frustration that way. And then I decided to play Bayonetta, which is literally the most fun franchise I've ever played, like ever. Yoshi's Island, Super Mario World 2 Yoshi's Island, is a close second. I've been playing that recently on my phone, but Bayonetta is where it's at. I've played Bayonetta 1 and 2, and Bayonetta 3 is allegedly coming out this year, and I'm super excited for it. So I've been replaying Bayonetta 1. But then it was getting really frustrating because I already beat it before, and I beat it on normal, and now I'm playing on hard. And it's so like the leap in difficulty is like, from here, if this is normal, this is hard. So I got very frustrated, and I'm like, you know what, let me keep my promise to myself and my dedicated fans, and make a YouTube video on something simple, because why not, right? Here I have a Belkin wireless charger. I got this from my workplace a couple years ago. My manager had like a promotion. Basically, if you sold something or whatever, if you met the quota or whatever, then you would earn a prize, an accessory essentially. And then me and somebody else, it was for device protection. So I sold a lot of device protection, and essentially he got me this wireless charger from Belkin. It has my name on it. It's been since like 2017, like late 2017, and I haven't used it at all. So I was like, you know what? Let me do an unboxing. Let me eventually get around to it. I have you can see back there. You can see that blob right there. It's the love of my life. Hey buddy, what's up? Hey Leo. Say hi. Let me just block that light. Leo. All up in his face. Sorry, I just love him so much. I have to, whenever he does something, it's like ridiculously adorable. Okay. Where was I? Yeah, so this Belkin charger, I've literally never used it. It's just been sitting on my desk forever, and I've never really considered opening it, and I think it's been there since like late 2017, and I kept telling myself, I'll like do an unboxing, I'll open it up, I'll make a YouTube channel, tech channel, all that sort of stuff, and I never got around to it until now. So there we go. It is a Belkin Qi wireless charging pad and charger. It is 1.8 meters, aka 6 feet, and it's for phones and tablets. So this is the packaging. One day I'm gonna look back on my videos like this and say, how low tech was this, you know? And it's just so funny, but you know, you gotta start somewhere. So the Qi wireless charging pad, wirelessly charge your Qi-enabled devices without the hassle of plugs and cables. Simply set it down, charge it, and go. It is by Belkin. If you didn't notice, this is probably going to say it backwards. Belkin. Nickelb. It is 5 watts, 1 ampere. The package includes a wireless charging pad, charger, and micro USB cable. So it's been a minute since this has been out, and I don't think they really invested in USB-C, the universal cables, which more and more products are coming out with nowadays. So it's been like a little while, right? So tech changes very, very fast, just like that. So it's not surprising, and it tells you how long ago this came out, and the fact that it has USB, micro USB. But that doesn't really say much at the same time, because devices are coming out like in this year 2019 that still have micro USBs, products that are inexplicably using an older format that's not as universal and compatible with everything. Like it's not the worst. Having a micro USB cable isn't like the worst offender of technological faux pas, but when there's USB-C, come on, get on the train, guys. It's always very, very disappointing whenever I see a brand new product and it says micro USB. It's like, hello, buddy. Are you gonna join me? No. So, this is the box. This is what's inside. Comes with little instructions, a little pictogram. You don't need to speak any certain language to understand it. Pretty clear, pretty universal. This is the Belkin charging pad itself. It's actually pretty tiny. I have small hands and it essentially fits. That's the front. That's the back. This is Belkin. Designed in California, assembled in China, model F8M747. We'll set that aside. We're here to help. Belkin customer support can answer questions, help with setup, and save you a trip back to the store. Give us a call and talk to a real person now. I don't know if I still have a warranty on this because it's been a minute and a half, which is a long, long time. But then again, they don't know when I bought it, right? But then again, they probably asked for proof of purchase, and that's long gone. I didn't buy it in the first place. It was a gift from the workplace, an incentive, really. Here's the wall adapter. It says Belkin. I was about to tap this like it's gonna autocorrect. Not autocorrect, but like autofocus. There we go, Belkin. I like the little logo, it's cute. 2.1 amperes power adapter. Input 100 to 240 volts. Output DCV 5 volts, 2.1 amperes. Amp hours. No entiendo, señor. That was really bad Spanish. It comes with a little thingamajig that nobody reads. I'm essentially illiterate, even though I have an English degree. Got a lot of good it did me. So yeah, that's the worst unboxing ever. This is all that it comes with. Little, I just really like the design. I might look into more Belkin things. Again, really simple pictogram, charging pad, charging cable, micro USB sadly, and the wall adapter. I will probably do a review on it and see how it goes, and if it's any good, and my thoughts on it, because that's what you're here for, right? My thoughts. Those thoughts over there. Yeah, that's essentially it for now. This has been an unboxing video of the Belkin wireless charger. I don't know if it's a specific one. No, it's just a Belkin wireless charging pad and charger. Yeah. leave a comment below if you liked it. If you didn't like it, leave a comment below as well. I don't care. I do care. Please just pay attention to me. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell notification. I always do that. Always do that. Hit the little bell icon for notifications. What else? You know, once you get into the habit of saying it, it'll probably become second nature and like bim bam boom. But for now, I have to get into the habit of saying it because I'm trying to be consistently productive and keep doing these videos because I like it. Why did I like to move it immediately jump into my head? Yeah, that's all that it comes within the package. Super sorry, but also not that I'm getting off track and derailing and, you know, rambling, but c'est moi. It's me. Yeah, I will post a video eventually, hopefully soon. I want to be consistent about this. I want to turn this into a side hobby or like something consistently, you know, I want it to be something I develop into a habit and actually enjoy doing. Not to say I don't enjoy it right now, but like I have to keep remembering to do it and everything else. Charger, micro USB cable goes in here. This can go into your laptop, I presume, or other power outlet. And you plug it in and you put it into the wall. If I plug it in and there's a little LED light here, right there. So here, plug it in, which I'll do right now. It does not plug in. It does not do anything unless I place something on it. No. I actually do not know if mine is broken or if it only lights up when there's something on it, because it doesn't light up when I plug it in unless I don't know how to plug things in, which is possible. You never know. I'd like to assume I could, but some things are just beyond your grasp, you know? I'll look into that. I'll do a follow-up video after I do this was the unboxing, so once I do the actual product review and use it for, I don't know, a few days, a week, who knows. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications, follow me, and you'll see, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Follow me on my social media if you want to. I'll post it, my Instagram and Twitter, I guess, because I don't use Facebook anymore. Yeah, this has been a very unprofessional and amusing, at least I think so, a little bit, tech review unboxing video. More content to come. Don't go away. Don't go screaming away from me, please. I need attention and friends. But I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.